Subclassing amasung method overriding gi spoken tutorial da taramna okchari. Tutorial sida aikoina subclassing extends keyword amasung method overriding gi maramda tamgani. Sida aikoina sijinnari Ubuntu Linux version 12.04, JDK 1.7, Eclipse 4.3.1. Tutorial matung innaba nangonda Java amasung Eclipse ki mari makhong khangadabani. Natrabadi mari leinaba Java tutorial gidamak aikoigi website ta changbiyu. Ahanbada subclassing haibasi karino tamlani. Masi araiba class tagi anauba class semnaba pambaini. Anauba semba class 2 subclass natraga derived class natraga child class ni. Hanagi araiba class 2 superclass natraga base class natraga parent class kawi. Subclass karamna semgani utlage. Aina my project kauba project ama hanana semle. Aina masida employee kauba class ama hana semle. Masida variables name amasung email address lay. Masida class ki setter amasung getter method singsu lay. Masida method get details lay. Method sina name amasung email address pirak I. Hojik manager class ta lak asi. Masida variables name email address amasung department lay. Variables kharadi employee amasung manager class animakta common oibasi ui. Name amasung email address employee class ta lay. Masi manager class ta su layba ui. Asumna manager class si employee class ki subclass oihanba yai. Madugidamak aikoina manager class ta ahongba khara layhangani. Public class manager matungda iro extends employee. Extends keyword araiba class tagi subclass sembada sizinai. Class animakta common oiba duplicate variables lauthoklo. Aduna manager class tagi name amasung email address lauthoklo. Hairiba sigi setter amasung getter method su lauthoklo. Class manager da variable department amakhak leirani. Department gi setter amasung getter method su lay. Mataw asumna manager class na employee class ki members bu inherit tawi. Class ama sangdokpagi pambai single inheritance kawi. Test employee kauba class amagasu aina semle. Main method manungda manager class ki object semlani. Aduna main method manungda iro manager equal to new manager parenthesis. Mathangda manager class ki setter methods tu kaurani. Aduna iro manager dot set name brackets amasung double quotes manungda Nikita Dinesh. Mathangda iro manager dot set email brackets amasung double quotes manungda abc@gmail.com. Mathangda iro manager dot set department brackets amasung double quotes manungda accounts. Name email address amasung department ama hekta sijinnaba yai. Manager object sijinnaraga get details method tu kaurasi. Aduna iro system.out.println brackets manungda manager.getDetails. Program save amasung run taurasi. Output masi oina fangle name Nikita Dinesh, email abc@gmail.com. Sida manager class ki object na get details method pu kawi. Manager class ta laklo. Sida get details method leitabasi ui. Adubu output ti adum fangi maramdi manager class na employee class pu sangdok I. Manager class na employee class ki variables amasung methods pu mathanta inherit tawi. Aduna masina parent class madudi employee da yengsilli employee class da laksi sida masina get details method fangi aikoina department piraktabadu khangzillu maramsina masina output ta department print taude get details method to private ta honglasi file save tawro test employee class ta compilation error fangbasi ure masina hai the method get details from type employee is not visible sigi arthadi get details method si thengnaba ngamde haibani maramdi aikoina get details method si private oina phongdokpagini subclass na magi superclass ki private members inherit taude subclass na superclass ki private members ta hakthengnaba ngamde superclass ta public natraga protected methods leiba yai method sina makhoigi private fields da changba ngami method sigi matengna subclass na private fields da su changba ngami aduna masi public ta amuk hanna honglasi hojik method get details si manager class ta yauhallasi method sina name email address amasung department piraklani aduna iro public string get details parenthesis method manungda iro return brackets manungda name plus get name plus slash n plus email plus get email plus slash n plus manager of plus get department semicolon file save tawro hojik manager amasung employee class animakta method get details leibasi khangjillu method ki ming return type amasung argument list class animakta chap manai subclass ta leiba method na karigumba ming return type argument list chap chana manarabadi parent class ta leiba method to override tawi haigani manager class ta amuk hanna laklo get details method ki mamang de iro add override masi override annotation amani masina method amana superclass ta method ama override tawningbadu utli annotation haibasi karino yenglasi annotation si 8 sign character na hawi program amagi maramda data fangalli code ki operation da direct effect leite method ama override loinana annotate tawradi compiler na error thokhalli karigumba method tuna superclass ta phongdokpa method override tawrabadi method signature si magi superclass ta khenai ide da amuk hanna laksi manager class ta amuk hanna laklo 8 sign character na compiler da matung tarakpa si annotation ni haiba utli sida masina get details method override tawbasi utli test employee class ta amuk hanna laksi file save amasung program run tawro piriba asumna output fangle name Nikita Dinesh email abc@gmail.com manager of accounts sida manager class ki object na get details method pu kawi adubu matang sida masina manager class masamaki method pu kawi asum haina aikoina parent class ki method pu subclass na override tawi aikoina samjillasi tutorial sida tamkre subclassing amasung method overriding gi maramda assignment oina the vehicle is running print tauba method run yauba class vehicle semlo the bike is running safely print tauba method run yauba class bike su semlo output to the bike is running safely oigadabani spoken tutorial project henna khangnaba piriba link sida fangba video yengu Spoken Tutorial Project samlapna palle nangi bandwidth phatrabadi download tawraga yengu. Spoken Tutorial Project team na Spoken Tutorial sing sizinaduna workshop sing tawi online changyeng ngambada certificate sing pi ahenba warul gidamak contact@spoken-tutorial.org da ibiraku. Spoken Tutorial Project Talk to a Teacher Project ki sarukni masi ICT MHRD India Government gi thongda National Mission on Education na mateng pi mission sigi ahenba warol spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro da fangbigani. Chetan hobijam na lon handokpani ai oken khairakpamni saruk yabibagi thagatjari.